Stacy had to step out, so I'm gonna just get started. Patrick Washington.
Yes, I'm here.
All right.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of people versus Patrick Washington. This is ticket number 5183701. One count, no operator's license on person. Also calling ticket number 878449. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, fraudulent or false information. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Patrick Washington.
Thank you, Mr. Washington. The defendant is here charged with not having an operator's license, Your Honor, and the defendant did present today with a valid driver's license. According to the no insurance count, if we pled that to that here, could we reduce that to improper plate?
Yes.
Okay, so that's what we're doing.
All right, sir. You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes.
All right, can you please raise your right hand for me? Sir, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Washington, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Goffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
I pleaded guilty of your own free will.
Yes.
I pleading guilty because you are guilty.
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of April 24th of 2017. At that time, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of MLK Boulevard and Lodge in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have no car insurance on it at the time?
Yes, I didn't have no insurance.
Okay. Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you. And stipulate the probable cause for the stop.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. I'm going to dismiss the remaining counts called on this record today. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
60 days.
All right, I'm going to give you until April the 3rd, 2023 to have that paid, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You also.
I will, thank you.
Okay.
All right. Raymond Winchester? Uh-oh. He fell off. I'll bring in the next person. Kalina Williams? Yeah, know the last name too. Kalina Williams?
Yes.
All right. All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Kalina Williams. This is ticket number SP 1210185. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2 of that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3 of that ticket is failed to signal on turn or leaving curb. Ticket number SP 1341584. Count 1, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, registration and or plate violation. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1341611, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person.
Yes.
All right. To case number SP 1254278, count 1, prohibited left turn. Count 2, no receipt of registration. Ticket number SP 1377419, count 1, expired plates. Ticket number SP 1380082, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number SP 13802-021, one count careless driving. Ticket number, count number 2 on that ticket is no proof of insurance. Count number 3 on that ticket is expired plates. Ticket number SP 1144687, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, disregard traffic control device. Ticket number SP 1106799, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license. Not a person. Count 3, improper plates. Ticket number SP 1106754, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, defective brake lights. Count 3, defective windshield. And tickets number SP 1254277, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel. I see you, Mr. Winchester. Just hold tight.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name for the record.
Marlena Williams.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Williams. Thank you, Your Honor, for the lengthy reading of the information. And I would indicate that the prosecutor has made a recommendation that if the defendant attended the better driver's course, she would get the best offer available at the next action date. And that's what she's going to do. She's been advised and instructed how to complete that.
All right, Miss Williams, you also have some tickets in front of Judge Garrett's courtroom on the 16th, February 16th, because under your last name Strawberry before, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move all of your tickets to my docket, okay? So I'm
Okay.
gonna call these tickets real quick, and then she'll come back to my courtroom and we'll handle everything together. So you don't get a whole bunch of different offers, okay?
Okay.
You gotta come back, because if you don't come back, you're never gonna handle all of these. And you see you got a lot of tickets, okay? You're pretty young. You don't wanna keep going down this path, okay?
Okay.
All right, let me call these tickets real quick for the record. This is ticket SP 1387590, count 1, improper plates. Count 2 of that ticket is drove unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3 of that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. SP 1390094, count 1, drove while unlicensed. Count 2 is defective brake lights. Attorney Bachman, appearance for the record once again.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, your name again.
Marlena Williams.
Dan, we're gonna waive any more formal reading and stand mute.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Ms. Williams, I'm going to give you some time to take that class. My pretrial date is going to be March 29th. March
Okay.
29th. Okay, so that gives you plenty of time to take the class. Start getting some money together too, because you are gonna have to pay for some of these tickets, okay?
Okay.
All right, March 29th, that's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set these all for pretrials. I'm gonna put your bond at $0 personal on all these matters, okay?
Okay. You said March 29th?
Oh, yeah, hold on a minute. My clerk is like, maybe we need to do you on a separate day because you got a lot of cases. What day?
It's a pretrial.
Yes. It's not a pretrial. Nope, nothing on February 1st. I won't be here. Be back Tuesday. April 5th, okay? That gives you just a little bit more time, but I want you to be able to, us to be able to take time with your case, okay?
Okay. I appreciate
All
it.
right. You're welcome, okay? Just come back. That's what I'm gonna repeat to you over and over again. I know you got a lot of tickets. Just come back so we can handle these, okay?
I'll be back.
Straight. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
We'll see you together, Ms. Williams. Have a good day.
You too. See
I
y'all.
will.
Bye.
All right, bye. Mr. Winchester, you can
Yes,
unmute yourself,
ma'am.
okay? Okay.
Sure.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Raymond Winchester. This is ticket P 1311962. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 1345008. Count 2, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Tickets for my future court dates on my docket are SP 141628581. This is one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. In warrant status are currently tickets number SP 1150463. Count 1, operate off-road vehicle on public highway. Count 2 of that same ticket is drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3 of that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 1173205. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Raymond Winchester.
Thank you, Mr. Winchester. Judge, our plea today is not guilty. We ask for a waiver trial by way of Zoom, please.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself, as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to make the bench trial on the date of April 17th. April 17th, that's gonna be at 9 a.m. That's via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal on all of these matters, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you. Mr. White?
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Sam White. This is ticket P1289823. One count leave scene of accident causing property damage. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Attorney Russ Donaldson, P number 53660, appear on behalf of Sam White. Your Honor, we would agree to proceed by Zoom technology and waive our right to an in-person hearing. I do recognize my client. He is also present on Zoom.
Thank you so much. In turn, Mr. White, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, Your Honor. Sam White.
All right. How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Your Honor, I just had a breakout room with the city attorney. I'm not sure if she actually brought the offer in or not, but my client would like to take advantage of the officer, specifically that he would be pleading guilty to the added count of a misdemeanor offense of due care and caution for waste utility road maintenance vehicle. That does get abstracted out. It is a 2-point ticket. My client does understand he does have a right to go to trial on this. He's going to waive his right, and we're going to be asking for fines and costs, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, if that's the case, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. White, you had a chance to talk to your attorney about the case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, Mr. White?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of December 19th of 2021. Were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of East 7 Mile and John R. Roads in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving, I am going to ask if the original of the ticket says, did you leave the scene of an accident where in that area?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and is going to accept the plea and amend it to the charge of due care and caution for waste utility road maintenance vehicle at this time. Mr. White, why would you leave the location after you had an accident?
It was a single car accident, and I didn't notice any major damage.
Was it your car that got damaged or somebody else's car that got damaged?
It was my car, Your Honor.
Okay, we can't do that in the future, okay? You gotta just stay, okay?
It will not happen again, Your Honor.
My fine is going to be $240, $240. We gotta fix the pole that you hit.
Okay,
The city has to do that, okay? All right,
That's
how
fine.
long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 is fine.
Okay, I'll make it due no later than March 3rd, 2023, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, you are very welcome. All right, I know you only got an accident, it didn't look that bad, but when you hit some property, that's what makes it bad, because then we gotta figure it out.
I understand.
Okay, all right, you're all set, Mr. White. Thank you, attorney.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Weekend, are we?
You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Shannon needs to see the review more than where.
I think I got it. What time is Warren?
Warren.
Said Warren and where?
Application.
It's okay. Yeah. I'm gonna say yeah.
So there's a Miss Warren? Oh, there you go. Go ahead. Thomas Warren.
All right. Saw some more people in.
It is not. Oh, okay.
I might have said the wrong name. I'm special.
Thomas Warren is the special area.
Can you come in? Carlos Washington? Carlos Washington? Mr. Washington, can you hear me? Of course, they having audio issues. I'm gonna bring in somebody else till we get them straight. Gina Wilson?
Gianna.
Gianna, okay, sorry. Now calling the matter of People versus Gianna Wilson. This is ticket P 1308-343. One count fraudulent false insurance information. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name for the record?
Gianna Wilson.
Thank you. Ms. Wilson presents today with valid and current insurance certificate. I've sent that to Corporation Counsel. I'm attesting to its contents here as an officer of the court. I believe there should be a stipulation to dismiss the instant case here, and I would stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation. Thank you.
All right. At this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice for her now having valid documentation. Ma'am, always make sure to come in with having your vehicle valid documentation for anything that you have, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Carlos Washington, I don't think he's connected to audio. I'll have to get him in a minute. He's been having trouble all morning. Okay. Abdul Zaraki. Abdul Zaraki. Zakari, maybe? I'm asking the name. Zakari, maybe?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can turn on your camera for me, please.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the People versus Abdul Zakari. This is ticket number P 1280886. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Good morning.
Mr. Zakari, state your name.
I'm sorry.
Would you state your name?
My name Abdul Zakari.
Thank you, Judge. We are going to ask for another pretrial. The defendant has a speeding ticket and he's going to get a better offer if he attends the better driver's course. He's been advised and I've told him how he can attend that class. He's ready to do that. So we just want a pretrial date, please.
You know he paid that ticket already, Attorney Baughman.
Well, I would say that he did that by mistake and that he was ill-advised to have paid that. And we would be asking that if he did put some skin in the game and took this course, that the court consider bringing that out of that status at default and then re-entering. I'm not asking, and he's probably not asking to get any money back, but we certainly would have paid that amount for a better conviction if the court would consider that.
Is it civil infraction?
Yes.
Oh, if you choose.
Okay. All right. The court's gonna set this for a pretrial, sir, on the date of March 29th, 2023. Now, you're gonna have to remind me if Attorney Baldwin is not here that day, that you've already paid for this ticket. It'll be in the file so that I can do something different and get you not to have as many points. He's trying to help you out. In the meantime, sir, slow down. You hear me? 'Cause all
Yeah,
they're
of
gonna do
course,
is
I
give you
got
another ticket, and you're gonna have a whole lot of points. And you're too young to have
No,
all these points.
it was a mistake.
You said what?
No mistake. He said it
like-
wasn't.
It was like
Okay.
a long time ago. I regret it, to be honest, though. But I haven't got any speeding ticket until that day.
You're right. It was 2021, so I'll give them that. It hasn't been for a while.
That's
Don't do it
like
again.
2
I know
years
you're trying
ago.
to be hot out here. Don't do it, Mr. Zucker. I'm not gonna-
I
Okay.
got you.
All right.
No problem.
All right, I'll see you back then on March 29th with the class completed so that they can argue for you to get it out of default, okay?
You said March what? 20 what?
29, put it in your phone, March 29th at 8:30 a.m. Okay?
March 29, 8:30 a.m.
Yes, and no gum in your mouth next time either, okay, sir?
I got you. I'm sorry.
Okay, all right, have a good day,
You
sir.
said
Buy
eight-
that at $0 personal, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye.
Annie White?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Annie Mae White. This is ticket P 1332764. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. The other 2 tickets are in default. I don't know if they need to be called on the record. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, ma'am.
Annie Mae White.
Thank you. The judge presents compliance documents, and the recommendation is to dismiss without prejudice here. So I'd stipulate to probable cause for that.
All right, at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, you do know that there are 2 tickets that you got that went into default on these tickets, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're gonna have to take care of those, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set.
Thank you, ma'am, and have a blessed day. You too,
You
sir.
too, ma'am, thank
Bye.
Bye-bye.
you. Okay. Dean Ware? No, he ain't got no audio either. All right. Did you talk to Evan Woods or Miranda White?
Yes.
Okay. Carlos Washington? Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we ready.
Okay, now calling the matter of People versus Carlos Washington. This is case number SP 1269272. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please, sir?
Carlos Washington.
Judge, we're here for a show cause. The defendant is asking that a not guilty plea be entered here today and that the matter be set for a pretrial, please.
All right, at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I'm going to set this for a pretrial, sir. You still there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, set your, for March 29th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay? March 29th, I'll see you back via Zoom. Try and make sure your internet is working good too, okay, sir?
Okay, I got you, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Okay.
Dean Ware?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Can you turn on your camera for me or no?
I'm sorry. Can you give me 1 second? I'm trying to figure out how to work this thing again.
I know.
Okay, can you
Well,
see?
there you go,
Can you
sir.
see me?
Yep, I can see you, Mr. Ware. Now
Okay.
calling the matter of People versus Dean Perry Ware Jr. This is ticket P 1330391. This is 1 count, drove while unlicensed. Also calling it looks like. Ticket number P1330312, count 1, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, would you state your name for the record?
Dean Peelwell Jr.
Mr. Ware, as we discussed, there is a plea recommendation that you are offered to plead guilty. If you plead guilty on the speeding, that actually will be entered as a speeding 49 and a 35. And that the driver's license would be reduced to failure to display, and all the other cases would be dismissed here today. My understanding is that's what you want to do, is waive your right to any trial today and plead guilty. Is that right?
Yes, I just want to get it over with.
I get it, but in order to just get it over with, you understand the court can only accept the plea from somebody who actually says they're guilty or responsible. So,
Yeah.
I understand you want to get it over with, but you don't want to get it over with because you are guilty and responsible, right?
Yes. I told you in our little meeting that I did get my driver license though.
Understood. I share that.
Yes, I do want to play guilty. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Sir, so can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or
No.
promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of March the 19th of 2022. Were you driving a Nissan vehicle in the area of Conard and Christie Streets in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving this vehicle, were you unlicensed at that time?
Yes. I was going to a meeting so I could get my driver license. That's the crazy
And you were
part.
driving a vehicle before you had your license, correct, Mr. Ware?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Satisfied.
And also, counsel, you're satisfied when you stipulate to the speed and him
I
doing
would.
35 and
I would
35?
stipulate to the facts contained in the face of the complaint there for the purpose of the plea here, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of the amended count of fail to display as well as speed 49 to 35. I think that's 11 to 15 miles over. Is that right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. So, sir, for that fine, it is $150. You only have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you, Mr. Ware?
You said $150?
$150.
All right. So
Is 14 days going to be enough time?
yes, the ticket number, just use that when I pay it, right?
Yes, just use that ticket number when you pay it, okay?
All right, bang. All right, thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right. And since on the other ticket you now have your license, I'm gonna waive the cost and fines, okay?
Oh, thank you. I really appreciate you.
Oh, no problem. All right, so just pay that $150 by February 16th, okay?
All right, bet. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome, Mr. Ware. You have a good day, okay?
All right, y'all too.
All right, thank you. We will. Thank you very much.
Okay.
All right. You need to switch, Mr. Baughman?
No, I'm just gonna go start my car. I'll be right back.
Okay.
So his client is the applicant. He kind of waived his defendant's appearance and here for trial.
Okay, Mr. Abuze,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. How are you doing?
I'm well. Thank you for asking. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. You having a happier Friday than I.
I think so.
I can tell.
I'm trying to get my work Friday done early. As you see, I just have an arraignment in the afternoon. Seeing if you guys are okay with waiving it and just setting it for a bench trial. We'll have a resolution on the day of bench.
Where you client at? You have him sign on?
I didn't. I told him at 1:30. I was just trying to sneak it in now. If you want, I can have him jump on now. I can call him.
I'm gonna do it for you this one time.
Thank you. Or ask to waive his presence. I appreciate it.
Yeah. All right, let me get the file because I gotta see what this is. Look at the bench trial date of, April 17th. Are you available that day before I start assigning the date? Okay.
Perfect. April 17 morning.
At 9 a.m. Yeah, let me just call it on the record real quick.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you very much. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Stephen Yanin. Yanin, this is ticket number P1355772. This is a ticket off my afternoon docket. The lead scene of accident, property damage attempted. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Ziad Nicholas Abuzaid, P69447 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. I ask to waive his presence.
All right, and you have spoken with your client and you have the authority today to waive his presence just for this sole hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and it's my understanding you want to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf and set this for a bench trial?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set it for a bench trial on the date of April 17th, 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in, tell your client to zoom in that day at 9 a.m. I'll set his bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you so much, Judge. Have a beautiful day, everyone.
You too, have a fantastic day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. You gave Attorney Bachman a little bit of moment, so that worked out perfect.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Again, no problem. Evan Woods?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Evan Matthew Woods. This is ticket SP 1329243. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Also calling ticket number SP 1419739. Count 1 drove while license not valid. Count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Woods, state your name, please.
Evan Woods.
Thank you. Judge, the plea today is not guilty. We ask that the matter be set for a pretrial. I believe we're here for show cause.
Yes. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. He actually had another hearing scheduled on April the 5th. Don't worry about that date, sir. I'm going to move everything up a little bit, okay? So just come to court on March 29th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m., okay? March 29th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Bond set at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you then, sir, okay?
All right.
All right, have a good day.
All right, you too.
All right, bye-bye. All right. No, he lying down the bed too. I'm trying to get Miss Wright to join. Did you already talk to Mr. Thomas too, or no? You need to talk to Thomas Warren?
Mr. Warren is quite ready to enter into the plea agreement, Your Honor. I just don't know what the city offer was.
Okay, let me see.
I don't know if I had a chance to speak to Mr. Angelo Williams.
I'm
That's
here.
because he just signed in. Nobody talked to him. He just signed in.
Yeah, I'm so sorry for being late. I work midnight, so I don't get off till like 7:30.
Mr. Williams, I
Yes.
can appreciate that, but when you call in, you should at least be sitting up. Not lying down in bed. I
Okay.
wouldn't lie.
Give me 1 second. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, Mr. Williams, when you get a chance, look at your phone, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, don't worry, Attorney Bachman, my court is gonna handle him. You see it's a chat for you? It's a chat. Do you see the chats at the bottom? Give you a
Yes.
phone number to call. Go ahead and call that number. Log off and call my courtroom, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, Mr. Williams. Let me close the room down, maybe that'll help. And I don't know what happened to the other lady. I'm closing the room down right now.
We have Miranda Wright.
It said she was joining, it was just taking her forever. Ms. Wright?
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Miranda Wright. This is to you ticket 568-41320. This is one count of EWOP. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record, please.
Miranda Wright.
Good morning again, Ms. Wright. Our plea is not guilty, Judge. There's a genuine and material issue of fact here such that we're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please.
All right, Ms. Wright, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Wright, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
I did.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, ma'am?
That is correct.
All right, we're gonna set it for the date of, write it down, April 17th at 9 a.m. It is going to be via Zoom, so the same way you Zoomed in today, Zoom in on that date, okay? April 17th, I'm sorry, April 17th at 9 a.m. Bond will be set at $0 personal for Ms. Wright, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, Ms. Wright. Thomas Warren?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now calling the matters of people
Morning.
versus Thomas Warren. This is ticket number SP 1343017. Count 1, drove while license not valid. No, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1343341. One count expired plate. Ticket number SX 3830185. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, limited access 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Ticket number SX 3181970. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 1 of that ticket is driver's license never acquired. Also calling ticket number 162475338. Count 1, no operator's license on person. And ticket number 124738663, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Thomas Warren III.
Thank you and good morning, Mr. Warren. I have the resolution that you and I spoke about. And if you accept that plea recommendation today, you will be pleading guilty. The speeding count, I would also inform the judge, the speeding count was reduced here because of your attendance of the Better Drivers course. Okay? Mr. Warren, are you prepared to waive rights and plead guilty and are responsible now?
Yes.
Okay, we're ready.
Yes, sir.
If so, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Say it. All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights? Okay.
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I first want to take your attention way back to the date of August the 10th of 2017. Were you driving a Cadillac vehicle in the area of Grand River and M39 in the city of Detroit?
It's been a while, Your Honor, but it's possible. I had a Cadillac, yes.
Okay, you had a Cadillac, you don't recall. I'm just gonna read from the ticket at this point in time.
Yes, Your Honor. We would stipulate to the facts contained in the ticket for the purpose of the plea.
Thank you so much. So at that time, he was driving a Cadillac vehicle in the area of Grand River in M39 in the city of Detroit, and had never, didn't have his driver's license acquired at that point in time. Sir, now I'm bringing you a little closer to the date of January 22nd of 2021. Were you in the area of Davidson and DeQuinder in the city of Detroit?
Davidson,
Driving
DeQuinder.
a
With that,
Buick
yes,
vehicle?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving, was your license not valid at the time yet?
Satisfied.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And also bringing your attention to the date of April 20th of 2022, were you driving a Buick vehicle in the area of East Jefferson? And I'm gonna spell the street, Beniteau Street in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
And while you're driving, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket for his speeding ticket?
Yes, for the purpose of the plea as well as to stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal, sir, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So at this time, the court's going to enter in 3 pleas. Fail to display a valid operator's license not on person, and 1 plea to 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Sir, the fine for that 11 to 15 miles over posted speed is $150. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm sorry, I'm having that due on February 16th, 2023. On ticket ending in 43017, the drove while license suspended, I'm gonna charge you an additional $300 on that ticket. I'm going to give you 60 days to pay that. That's gonna bring us to April 3rd, 2023. The remaining 2 tickets, I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on, okay?
Okay.
All right, so you're gonna have to come up with a total of $450, probably plus some reinstatement fees that aren't included in this, okay?
Okay.
All right, the remaining tickets are gonna be dismissed, okay, Mr. Warren?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you are all set, okay?
Okay. Thank you and have a good day.
You too, thank you so much. All right, Attorney
Bye.
Buffin, that concludes this morning's docket.
You guys have a great weekend.